According to a survey, only 57% of adults in the world are financially literate. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to achieve financial freedom and success. Today, I will talk about financial literacy, which is the ability to understand and use financial skills, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and borrowing, in a way that enhances your well-being. Financial literacy is essential for everyone, regardless of your age, income, or education level. By the end of this video, you will learn what are the main components of financial literacy, why it is important, and how to assess your current financial situation and set financial goals. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So, what are the main components of financial literacy? There are 4 key areas that you need to master to become financially literate. Budgeting. This is the process of creating a plan for your income and expenses and tracking your cash flow. Budgeting helps you to live within your means, avoid overspending, and save for your future needs and wants. To create a budget, you need to list all your sources of income, such as salary, interest, dividends, etc., and all your expenses, such as rent, utilities, food, transportation, entertainment, etc. Then, you need to subtract your expenses from your income to see if you have a surplus or a deficit. If you have a surplus, you can use it to save, invest, or pay off debt. If you have a deficit, you need to find ways to increase your income or reduce your expenses, or both. Saving. This is the act of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. Saving helps you to build an emergency fund, which is a reserve of money that you can use in case of unexpected events, such as job loss, medical bills, car repairs, etc. Saving also helps you to achieve your short-term and long-term goals, such as buying a house, going on a vacation, retiring comfortably, etc. To save effectively, you need to pay yourself first, which means that you allocate a certain percentage of your income to your savings account before you spend on anything else. You also need to choose a savings account that offers a high interest rate, low fees, and easy access. Investing. This is the act of putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. Investing helps you to increase your wealth, beat inflation, and reach your financial goals faster. To invest wisely, you need to diversify your portfolio, which means that you spread your money across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, etc., to reduce your risk and maximize your return. You also need to understand your risk tolerance, which is the degree of uncertainty that you can handle in your investments, and choose the assets that match your risk profile and time horizon. Borrowing. This is the act of using someone else's money, such as a bank, a credit card company, or a friend, to pay for something that you cannot afford with your own money. Borrowing can be useful when you need to finance a large purchase, such as a car, a house, or an education, or when you face a temporary cash shortage. However, borrowing also comes with a cost, which is the interest that you have to pay back on top of the principal amount that you borrowed. To borrow responsibly, you need to compare different sources of credit, such as loans, credit cards, overdrafts, etc., and choose the one that offers the lowest interest rate, the most favorable terms, and the most affordable monthly payments. You also need to avoid borrowing more than you can repay, and make your payments on time and in full, to avoid late fees, penalties, and damage to your credit score. These are the 4 main components of financial literacy that you need to master to manage your money effectively. But why is financial literacy important? Here are some of the benefits of being financially literate. Financial literacy helps you to make informed and confident decisions about your money, such as how much to save, where to invest, when to borrow, etc. Financial literacy helps you to achieve your financial goals, such as buying a house, starting a business, retiring comfortably, etc. Financial literacy helps you to avoid financial pitfalls, such as debt, bankruptcy, fraud, scams, etc. Financial literacy helps you to improve your quality of life, as you can reduce your stress, increase your happiness, and enjoy your freedom. As you can see, financial literacy is very important for your well-being. But how can you assess your current financial situation and set financial goals? Here are some steps that you can follow. Step 1. Calculate your net worth, which is the difference between your assets and your liabilities. Your assets are the things that you own, such as cash, bank accounts, investments, property, etc. Your liabilities are the things that you owe, such as loans, credit cards, mortgages, etc. To calculate your net worth, you need to add up the value of all your assets and subtract the value of all your liabilities. Your net worth tells you how much wealth you have accumulated so far and whether you are on track to achieve your financial goals. Step 2. Analyze your cash flow, which is the difference between your income and your expenses. Your income is the money that you earn, such as salary, interest, dividends, etc. Your expenses are the money that you spend, such as rent, utilities, food, transportation, entertainment, etc. To analyze your cash flow, you need to compare your income and your expenses and see if you have a surplus or a deficit. Your cash flow tells you how much money you have available to save, invest, or pay off debt, and whether you are living within your means or beyond your means. Step 3. Set smart financial goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Your financial goals are the things that you want to accomplish with your money, such as buying a house, starting a business, retiring comfortably, etc. To set smart financial goals, you need to define what you want to achieve, how much money you need, how long it will take, why it is important, and how you will measure your progress. Your financial goals tell you what you are working towards and how you will get there. These are the steps that you can follow to assess your current financial situation and set financial goals. By doing this, you can identify your strengths and weaknesses and create a plan of action to improve your financial literacy and well-being. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video on Introduction to Financial Literacy. I hope you learned something new and useful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me what you think about financial literacy and how you are managing your money. I would love to hear from you and answer your questions. Stay tuned for the next video, where I will talk about how to create a budget that works for you. Until then, stay financially savvy and happy. Bye for now.